Beneath a shroud of dust,
and decades of silence, she waits, forgotten in a forgotten barn, her chrome dulled, her paint surrendered to rust.
to the untrained eye,
She is scrap. To the restorer, she is a promise, a machine that once carried dreams down open highways.
the work begins in pieces.
Bolt by bolt, panel by panel, she is stripped to her bones, every scar and weld laid bare beneath the shop lights. Patience is the restorer's truest tool. Hours bleed into days, days into seasons, each part cleaned, machined, and coaxed back toward perfection. Chrome rises from tarnish under steady hands, catching the light as it must have half a century ago, when she was new and the road was endless.
Then comes the moment.
The key turned, the silence broken, an engine drawing its first breath in 40 long years. She rolls into the sun, paint deep as a still lake, tires humming a song the asphalt remembers.
A classic does not die.
She only waits for the hands and the heart willing to bring her home.